Right, morning or afternoon, boys and girls. It's Friday the 24th of November. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon. I've done a bit of work this morning. I just thought I'd give you a quick update from yesterday. So, that is the A-frame bench that we made. It is solid. It's very well made. It's the same height as the existing one. We did do a little bit of jiggery-pokery in order to get that. It's maybe not the best work, but given the tools that we do and don't have, for some reason it won't focus. Never mind, it won't focus. But you can maybe see. Anyway, yeah, there we go. So it's pretty well made, it's solid. It's the same height as the other one. All we've got to do now is figure out how to insert the 9-inch grinder. We did find a diamond tip saw blade for the 4-inch grinder, but unfortunately it says no water on it, so don't quite know how I'm going to use that one, plus the fact it's only got 22mm between the top of the grinder and the actual edge of the grinding disc. The 9-inch grinder's got about 63mm, so it's a bit more suitable. There's a lot of torque in it and it weighs about 9 or 10 kilos, so it's going to be quite hard to mount. We do, however, have over here an old-fashioned, very well made sofa bed with lots of metal parts in it that we can chop up and use as accordingly. Unfortunately, we don't have any welding gear, so it's all going to be nuts and bolts. I'm going to go and show you what I've been doing in the bathroom. 2 ticks. So back in the bathroom, side's absolutely grand, as we showed you the other day. There's a lovely brush finish on it. Can't really see that. I did strike the shutter yesterday. The edge has come out particularly well. I've just chamfered off maybe 0.5mm, just so that there's a bit of a bead bar for it to sit on when we put the drain in. That's a bit of the drain. Anyway, as you can see here, I've set the next shutter. We're going to have a bit of fun on this side, because when I turn round, here we are. I've also set the back bar. It's on a rake of not much, to be honest, because basically these boys want to try and tie in with the existing floor. This is about 14mm higher than the existing floor. They're going to put new tiles on the floor, which hopefully will bump it up. I don't know how thick the tiles are going to be. So 14mm on my side high for the rake. That's only about 1.8% or something like that. But there's not going to be much water on this side, so hopefully that's enough of a rake in the shower to let the water run off the tiles. Yeah, so hopefully there won't be much of a height difference between my side and theirs, and if there is, they can chamfer it either way. Not too fussed. So I think in a minute I'm going to do a big clean up, and then I might just get pouring, because you should, you know. Santi said he'd help me tomorrow, but Ika's in the other room banging out stuff, and I might as well get on and do stuff. Alright, I'll check back with you in a bit. Ciao!